These songs come from what's called the Nima people, also known as the Shoshone and the Paiute people.
Today was such a gift. Our students study cultures all year round, but we paid extra attention, of course, during November for Native American Heritage Month.
I'm just sharing a little bit of the drum life that we have as a Native people. It's important as Native people to show that we're still here, holding our heritage and keeping our traditions alive.
The basis of our culture is to be inclusive and to share with people and to be kind to one another.
Today was the assembly and I saw diversity.
We got to see someone of Native American descent play some Native American songs for us.
It was cool.
As a young person today, having authentic experiences and real connections instead of just screen time, instead of just a book that you picked up somewhere, I think that's the climax of what we can offer them in education.
Over time, history of Native Americans I felt like have been taken away from them, so I feel like we need to see more of it.
It's very prideful. It's an honor. It's an honor to be thought of in the community as somebody who can teach and inform.
I thought it was awesome because Native American history, not a lot of people know about it anymore because it kind of just leaked away throughout history, and I think we need to have more of that in our school and just in the world.
If we don't learn this stuff and share this stuff, it's going to die, and that's the end. And for somebody like me, it's imperative. It's really important. So I've spent my whole life learning about this culture and sharing with everybody that will listen.